You step on the gas pedal to merge onto the highway, but your engine hesitates, idles incredibly rough, and feels like it has lost a significant amount of its horsepower while drinking fuel faster than ever. When you scan the computer and find a code P2144, you are dealing with a low-voltage condition in the exhaust gas recirculation vent control circuit. Here on Mon Total, we see these emission system issues constantly, and while they might seem intimidating, understanding how they work makes the diagnosis much easier. Your exhaust gas recirculation system, or EGR, is designed to capture unburnt fuel and exhaust gases and route them back into the engine to be burned completely, which keeps your emissions clean and actually improves your fuel economy. However, the system cannot just blindly pump exhaust into the motor all the time. It uses a specific vent control solenoid to discard any unneeded exhaust pressure into the standard exhaust pipe so it can pass through the catalytic converter. When your engine computer detects that the electrical voltage going to this vent solenoid is lower than it should be, it immediately triggers this fault. Now, before you stick your hands in there, you absolutely must let the engine cool down completely. These components are bolted directly to your blistering hot exhaust manifold, and you will get a severe burn if you are not careful. The most frequent cause of this code is actually melted or degraded rubber vacuum lines. The vent solenoid relies on vacuum to operate the mechanical valves, and those tiny rubber hoses simply bake and crack in the extreme engine bay heat. Trace every single vacuum line connected to the system, and if you find one that is brittle or split open, replace the entire run of hoses because the rest are guaranteed to fail soon. If the vacuum lines are perfect, grab some electrical contact cleaner and inspect the plastic wiring connector at the vent solenoid. Heat damage can melt the wire insulation, causing a direct short to ground, which drags the circuit voltage down and throws the code. If the wiring is pristine, you might need to unbolt the EGR valve itself and use an old toothbrush with some carburetor cleaner to scrub out the heavy, thick carbon soot that eventually jams up the mechanical internals and causes the solenoid to fail.